Hey, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. And I hit them all, guys. Well, with the exception being Marshalls, I hit Saks Off 5th, TJ Maxx, Burlington, to try to find an inexpensive, value-added fragrance to your collection, something worthy of your time and money. And I was expecting, I don't know what I'm expecting when I walk into Saks Off 5th. I feel like I'm gonna find something good, but their prices aren't always the best. Sometimes they will have something on markdown red sticker that is worth grabbing, but for the most part, you can find them much cheaper at online discounters or even other rack stores. But the scent that we were able to find is Dunhill Desire. And I paid $19.99 for that, for the 100 ml. So I'm excited to try this one. You guys have talked about it. You like this one. I have never tried it. But one thing I will say about Dunhill is that they are known for their quality. They're sort of a safe bet when you're walking into a Burlington or one of the other rack stores and you see a Dunhill and you don't have a lot of money to spend. You want to smell good. Let's face it. That's why we're looking in the rack stores. We're looking for, these high value fragrances, something that you don't pay a lot of money for, but they smell great. Dunhill is one of those brands that you can rely on. So I'm excited to try this one. As always, I'm gonna try it on strip, tell you guys what I pick up, and then try it on skin, see how much it changes, and then ultimately let you guys know, is Dunhill Desire worth it? Here we have Dunhill Desire. Now, the bottle, I like that sort of deep, vibrant red. I like the detailed cap. It looks like it might be a flask style cap. See. Yes, flask style cap here. So that's pretty cool. I'm a fan of those. Just kind of set it and forget it. Check out the atomizer. Now, when I pulled this out of the box, it was leaking a bit. Nice atomizer on here. It did seem to be leaking a little bit around this area right here. So that's something to consider. Wow, in the air, I'm really liking this already. Not what I expected. Getting a ton of vanilla, ton of fruity vanilla, very powdery in the air. Okay, so this, I really like this. Very vanilla heavy, was not expecting that. I think I was just expecting more spice and warmth, maybe an ambery scent, but that's not this at all. Fruity, vanillic, maybe a little bit of woods or patchouli, something earthy almost. It's funny, off a strip, this is reminding me a little bit of another fragrance, a much more expensive fragrance, which is 8 and Bob, the OG. Love that scent. My wife loves that one. That's a little heavier on the patchouli, but they are very similar. Also, that one has a little bit more citrus up top, where this has fruity sweetness. And this also has a fresh undertone to it as well. So it's vanillic, it's fruity, and I love this. This is really nice. Not what I was expecting. So I'm gonna get this on skin. I want to take a look at the notes really quickly and let you guys know how it changes. The notes for Dunhill Desire, top notes are apple, lemon, bergamot, and orange blossom. Mid notes are rose, teakwood, and patchouli. And the base notes are vanilla and musk. Yeah, so like every other Dunhill that I've tried, for the most part, the quality is there. It doesn't smell inexpensive. It doesn't smell overly synthetic. You don't get a blast of alcohol. Off of skin, beautiful. Really comes alive, actually. That orange really stands out. That fruitiness is probably coming from that apple, although I can't specifically say it smells like apple. Apple is a tough note to nail down in fragrances. A lot of times it comes across as super synthetic. I will say that the fruitiness here is not a synthetic fruitiness. That vanilla just really pulls everything together. It is a little bit powdery. Definitely think fragrances like Armani Code. That is sort of the scent profile here. Not that it smells exactly like Armani Code. That's not what I'm saying. But the vanilla, the tonka, the freshness, that powderiness with that undertone of sweetness, and again, that freshness, it really melds well together. So this one is a surprise. I really enjoy this one. I'm a little disappointed with the leak. It is a $20 fragrance at the end of the day, and you are going to have some maybe packaging issues. I just care about the scent and that the liquid stays in the bottle. So, but the scent is really nice. And as I always do, I'm going to try this week, wear it, give you guys a little more perspective on performance, how long it lasts, projection. Did I get any attention from this one? And I will talk more about that in my weekly wears video. So if you are not subscribed, I drop my weekly wears videos every single Monday. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. But I would love to know you guys' thoughts on Dunhill Desire. Is this one that you've tried? Do you enjoy this one? I had no idea about it. I saw it and I grabbed it. And right now, first impressions, I think it is worth the 20 bucks that I paid. Would love to know you guys' thoughts on this one. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.